when you guys get a pre-approval, when you guys like apply for a credit card, sometimes they tell you like the amount that they can actually pre-approve you for. That is not always guaranteed that you're going to get that amount. Even it's not even guaranteed that they even want to give you that credit card at all. Now, I always tell people that pre-approval amount can give you like a roundabout of what you can actually get, but until they run that full application and say, hey, this is your approval, nothing is guaranteed at all. Now, let's go back and look at some of the credit cards, you guys, because when you guys apply for some of these different credit cards, these are like the best credit cards to like build your credit. When you guys apply for some of these credit cards, they probably going to tell you the pre-approval amount. You know what? I know a credit card that will tell you the pre-approval amount. Let's see if it's on this one here. Let's search it at the top. One credit card for sure I know that will tell you the pre-approval amount is a Prosper credit card, and that's this credit card here. So they'll tell you the amount that they can actually pre-approve you for, and it's going to be without a hard inquiry. Somebody said they was actually able to get $1,600 with this credit card, but they're able to tell you like we can pre-qualify you for this amount. And I believe I have the pre-qualification in this video about this credit card, but that's not a guarantee because sometimes they can change that amount. Sometimes they ask for verification of income, and maybe if you put a little bit more than you can verify, they're going to give you a different amount. But hopefully you're going to be able to get approved for what they say you're going to get approved for, but that's not a guarantee. And even if they say that they can give you a credit card, it's not even a guarantee that they're going to actually give you that credit card, which is something I don't like. Don't tell me if I can get pre-approved for a credit card and then you decide not to give it to me. But just keep that in mind. And it's really dependent on everybody's situation in terms of when they pull your full credit report, what's actually on your credit report, and then also verification. If they ask for verification, if you don't have that verification, then they're not going to give you a credit card at all, or they're going to change that amount that they actually